The other day we were listening to a talk and we came across this concept of yours, stinking thinking.
Yeah.
So we really like stinking thinking, but like for those who don't know what stinking thinking is, could you please elaborate a little bit on it?
Yeah, so the context for this is that I gave a talk about how I myself went from what I call an adversary to bootcamp developers or like self-taught people to becoming an advocate and really wanted to help those people. And what I said that blocked my vision or, and understanding was what I call stinking thinking, because I felt like, well, I worked so hard to go to graduate school. I worked so hard to do this process. So you have to do the same way or it's not valid. Yeah. And I think that that's really toxic, or it's stinking thinking, right? Your thinking is really bad when you start to try to create ways to keep people out. When you really should be thinking the opposite way is, how do you bring more people in?